Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In the last video I did explain to you the basic definition of Laplace transforms. So today I would like to explain to you Laplace transform of some elementary functions. So in the last class I did explain to you the basic Laplace transform of a constant, that is 1, which is equal 1 by s. In similar way, in place of 1, if I am taking a constant, that is Laplace of k is equal to k by s. So now I would like to tell you remaining Laplace transforms of elementary functions. Let us see. So Laplace of t, so which is a function which is equal to 1 by s square. So Laplace of t power n, where n is a positive number, it will be equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1. So if you want to check with this one, here t power n, it is t. So n equal to what to me here? 1. That is 1 factorial by s power 1 plus 1. 1 factorial means 1 plus 1 equal to, that is 1 by s square. It should be satisfied. And if you want to write this one into gamma functions, that is n factorial is equal gamma of n plus 1. So remaining is to be same, that is gamma n plus 1 by s power n plus 1. Right. Next, Laplace of exponential function, which is e power of at. So it will be equal to 1 by s minus a, where s is greater than a. So next, same, the exponential function which is Laplace of e power of minus at, which is equal to 1 by s plus a, where s is greater than minus a. So next, right. So next, trigonometric function, that is Laplace of sine at. So it will be equal to a by s square plus a square, and Laplace of cos at. So it is also a trigonometric function which is s by s square plus a square. Next, hyperbolic function sin h at. So it will be equal to a by s square minus a square, and one more hyperbolic function which is cos h at. It will be equal to s by s square minus a square. So these are the basic elementary functions of for the Laplace transforms. So if we know these formulas, then we can do any problem of Laplace transforms. Now I would like to explain to you one problem on Laplace transform. What is that? It should be, find the Laplace transform of e power of 2t plus 4t cube minus 2 sin 3t plus 3 cos 3t. So now how I am doing this problem is to be, so whatever give up taking the function I would like to take is to be f of t, that is f of t equal to e power of 2t plus 4t cube minus 2 sin 3t plus 3 cos 3t. So now what I want to be do, I want to be apply the Laplace transform on both sides. So that is, so Laplace of f of t is equal to Laplace of e power of 2t plus 4t cube minus 2 sin 3t plus 3 cos 3t. So by using the linearity property, I would like to split into 4 parts here. So by linearity property, so by using linearity property, I would like to split here. So which is what to me here, Laplace of e power of 2t plus Laplace of 4t cube minus Laplace of 2 sin 3t plus Laplace of 3 cos 3t. So now whatever we have the constants should be right in the front, that is Laplace of e power of 2t. So here plus Laplace of t cube minus 2 into Laplace of sin 3t. So last plus 3 Laplace of cos 3t. So now we have the formulas for the individuals. So by using the formulas I am able to write here. See, so Laplace of e power of at. So Laplace of e power of at means 1 by s minus a, that is which is equal 1 by s minus 2 plus 4 into t cube, that is Laplace of t power n. T power n means n factorial by s power n plus 1, that is 3 factorial by s power 3 plus 1. So minus 2 into sin at. Sin at means a by s square plus a square, that is 3 by s square plus 3 square plus 3. So Laplace of cos at. Cos at means s by s square plus a square, that is s by s square plus 3 square. So that now what did I use is the formulas which should be Laplace of e power of at equal to 1 by s minus a, Laplace of t power n equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1, Laplace of sin at which is equal to a by s square plus a square, and the last one Laplace of cos at is equal to s by s square plus a square. Now I would like to simplify. This is 1 by s minus 2 plus 3 factorial means 3 2 just 6, 6 4 just 24, that is 24 by s power 4. This is 2 3 just 6 by s square plus 9 plus 3s by s square plus 9. So this is what to be Laplace of f of t equal to what to be generally f of s. Alright, this is the Laplace transform of the given function, which is what e power of 2t plus 4t cube minus 2 sin 3t plus 3 cos 3t. Now I would like to explain to you one more problem, which is find the Laplace transform of 3 cos 3t into cos 4t. So when I am observing here, there is no plus or minus. If it is no plus or minus, I could not apply the linearity property directly. So first I would like to make this problem into plus or minus model. So that means, so first what is given to me, let f of t is equal to 3 into cos 3t into cos 4t. Now it is looks like, suppose if you are closing 3, if I am multiplying dividing with 2, then it is looks like 2 cos a cos b. For that, now what I am going to be do, I want to be multiplying dividing with 2. So multiply and dividing with 2. So right, so then what I want to be get here, f of t equal to, this is 3 by 2 into 2 cos 3t into cos 4t. Now it is looks like 2 cos a cos b, where a equal to 3t, b equal to 4t. That means, so what I have the formula, that is 2 cos a cos b. So cos a cos b means what to be cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So now I would like to write this one has to be, so 3 by 2 into cos of a means what to me here 3t, b means 4t plus cos of 3t minus 4t. So that is 3 by 2 of cos 7t plus cos minus t. But we know that cos of minus theta is always to be positive, that is cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So that means what should I write here, which is, so 3 by 2 into cos 7t plus cos t. So this is what to be only f of t. That means the given function I would like to write into either plus or minus model. Then even if like this, then if it is like this, then I can apply the linearity property, right? Now applying the Laplace transform on both sides, that is L of f of t, it will be equal to, so Laplace of 3 by 2 into cos 7t plus cos t. So now by linearity property, now I would like to write this is 3 by 2 of, so Laplace of cos 7t plus Laplace of cos t. Right. So now it will be equal to 3 by 2. This is cos 70, that is cos 80, which is equal to s by s square plus a square. That means s by s square plus 7 square plus again cos t means cos 80. A equal to 1 means here s by s square plus 1 square. That means what did I use here? Which is Laplace of cos 80 is equal to s by s square plus a square. Now which is equal to 3 by 2 of s by s square plus 49 plus s by s square plus 1. So now which is what to me the Laplace transform of the given function, which is 3 cos 3t plus cos 4t. That is only I am concluding here. Laplace of 3 cos 3t into cos 4t, it will be equal to 3 by 2 of s by s square plus 49 plus s by s square plus 1. So which is the Laplace transform of the given function. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.